Alright guys, what's up? So today I'm going to teach you how to do a riffle shuffle. I've been wanting to do this segment called Dealer School since like January 1st. It's like February 8th today, and I'm finally getting around to it. So this is not for people who just want to learn magic. It's for people who just are in the casino business. I currently work in the casino business. I can't say which casino, but it's for the casino business, for people who are just getting into magic and trying to understand how to not control the cards, but to get used to handling cards on a daily basis. So this is one of the main shuffles that you'll learn. It completely randomizes the deck. This is one shuffle I've seen people do quite wrong, actually. So we're gonna go into it. So this is the riffle shuffle. So first, all you will need is a deck of cards. These are the Bicycle Archangels. You can get them at Target, Walgreens, CVS, whatever sells playing cards. So the riffle looks a little something like this. Square it up. And that's the riffle. So the easiest way to get into the riffle is you're gonna take your hand, you're gonna take the deck, you're gonna put 2 fingers on it, just like so. And with this hand, you're gonna grip the top portion and slide it off, just like that. Now you can get about a little bit more down, so it's a little bit more even. You just want to get used to sliding it off like that. You can either do it in a cut too, if you want to. Go into it. But the easiest way, when you're just setting up, plop. Especially when you're in a casino, that's what you'll do. Just gonna sit there and strip it across. Most of the time when you're in a casino, you will strip the cards first, so stripping the cards looks like this. Which also can be used as a Hindu shuffle, which we'll go over later on. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna do that, strip it off, and you're not gonna do it ever from the middle. This is the incorrect way because you're bending the cards down, which causes the cards to bow. So let's do it with this card, because I don't need this one. So it's gonna cause cards to bow like this, and you're gonna have a lot of issues when performing, or when you're working at a casino, because all the cards are gonna be doing this. You get this kind of effect where it's just bent up constantly. And you gotta bend them back and do all this crazy stuff. So we're gonna go back, and you're gonna cut across just like that. Okay, but you wanna keep holding on to them when you do that. Then you're gonna take from the corners, so you're gonna take your fingers, you're gonna have your thumbs on the corners, and you're just going to let go slowly. But you wanna kinda keep it even. And it's gonna take you a while, because sometimes they'll just lap into each other and it's gonna get caught in this kind of like peak. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna let go on one side. I do one side before the other, so you get kind of like a, and it gets that little weave in there. And it's okay if it's not completely every card. It's the point of the shuffle, it's supposed to randomize it. So let's go again. Follow me. I'm gonna take the cards, slowly cut across. You can do one of these if you want, square them up. The more square they are, the easier it is. And then you're gonna take it from the corners. If I can grab it. If I had felt, it'd be easier. Take it from the corners, riffle down, just like that. One more time. Take the side, take it from the corners. And that is a riffle shuffle. So I hope you guys learned something from that. Let me know if you want more dealer school kind of videos like this. I want to kind of teach just basic handlings of everything. Nothing magic wise. If you want to learn magic, I'll put a link in the description below. That way you can order my magic if you like and you want to check it out and learn that way. The really simple tricks that I do that everybody can do, and it's going to be completely fun. But if you want to learn basic handlings from, if you're a dealer or you're just starting in magic, let me know if you like these videos. But give this video a like, comment what you think below if I should be doing these videos, and give me a subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.